Have you ever pondered about the hidden dangers lurking beneath the serene surface of the Amazon River? This majestic waterway is not just a river, it's a living, breathing entity that stretches over 4,000 miles, making it the second longest river in the world. The Amazon is a colossal life force, a vast ecosystem that supports a staggering 1/3 of all known species on Earth. From the tiniest microorganism to the largest mammal, life here thrives in abundance, in a delicate balance. But beneath this thriving ecosystem there is a darker side, a side less known. The Amazon River is not just about its beauty and biodiversity, it's also about the hidden dangers that lie within its depths, dangers that can be as captivating as they are terrifying. These unseen risks, lurking beneath the emerald green waters, make the Amazon a place of fascination, wonder, and peril. Dive in as we explore the unseen risks that make the Amazon River a fascinating yet perilous realm. The Amazon River, home to a diverse array of wildlife, some of which pose significant threats to humans. The Amazon River is a vibrant, pulsating hub of life, teeming with a myriad of creatures that are as fascinating as they are perilous. Among these, piranhas, anacondas, and electric eels are perhaps the most notorious. Let's start with piranhas. These small, sharp-toothed fish are infamous for their predatory behavior. Despite their reputation, piranhas are not the voracious man-eaters that popular culture often portrays them to be. They are, however, opportunistic feeders and can pose a danger if they feel threatened or if food is scarce. A large group of piranhas can strip the flesh off a large animal in mere minutes. Next up, we have the anacondas. These are the heavyweight champions of the snake world. They're the largest snakes on our planet, and they make their home in the waterways of the Amazon. Anacondas are non-venomous, but that doesn't make them any less dangerous. They are constrictors, meaning they suffocate their prey before swallowing it whole. While human encounters with these enormous snakes are rare, they are potentially lethal. Last, but not least, we have the electric eels. These creatures are not actually eels, but a type of knife fish. Electric eels generate an electric charge, strong enough to stun a grown adult. The shock from an electric eel has been likened to the jolt from a taser gun. While they typically use this ability to navigate and hunt, they will not hesitate to use it in self-defense if disturbed. Each of these creatures contributes to the rich tapestry of life that is the Amazon River. They are integral parts of their ecosystems, playing crucial roles in maintaining the balance of nature. However, their presence also serves as a stark reminder of the inherent dangers lurking beneath the surface of this powerful river. The wildlife of the Amazon River is as deadly as it is diverse. The river itself, with its strong currents and unpredictable weather, presents its own set of hazards. The Amazon River, despite its majestic beauty, is not a place for the faint-hearted. Its vast expanse is home to powerful undercurrents, known to sweep unsuspecting swimmers or boaters off their feet and into perilous depths. These undercurrents are invisible to the naked eye, making them all the more dangerous. They can suddenly pull you under the water's surface, and even the strongest swimmer can struggle against their relentless pull. Every year, countless accidents occur due to these undercurrents, leading to unfortunate fatalities. But the undercurrents are not the only threat posed by the river. The Amazon is also known for its sudden and devastating flash floods. The river can swell rapidly, swallowing up its banks and anything in its path. These flash floods are often caused by torrential rain, which can occur without warning in the Amazon basin. The rapid rise in water levels can catch people off guard, leading to severe accidents and loss of life. The terrain surrounding the river can be just as treacherous. The riverbanks are often muddy and slippery, making them difficult to navigate. In some areas, the banks are steep and unstable, prone to sudden landslides. These conditions make it risky for those living near the river, as well as those exploring its wonders. Furthermore, the river's unpredictable weather patterns add another layer of risk. Storms can brew suddenly, whipping up the river into a frenzy of waves and making navigation near impossible. These storms can also cause rapid changes in water levels, contributing to the risk of flash floods. The Amazon River, with its inherent challenges and unpredictable nature, claims a significant number of lives each year. These casualties are a stark reminder of the river's untamed power and the respect it commands. Whether it's the invisible undercurrents, sudden flash floods, treacherous terrain, or volatile weather, the river's very nature can turn it into a formidable adversary. Indeed, the river's very nature can turn it into a formidable adversary. The danger doesn't just stem from the natural world. Human activities significantly contribute to the river's perils. Let's begin with pollution. Industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and residential sewage are among the primary pollutants that taint the Amazon River. These toxins not only make the river unsafe for human use but also disrupt the delicate balance of the aquatic ecosystem. It's estimated that thousands of metric tons of industrial waste are dumped into the Amazon each year, causing a decline in biodiversity and threatening the survival of numerous species. Then, there's the issue of deforestation. The Amazon rainforest, often dubbed the lungs of the earth, is being stripped at an alarming rate. Over the last 50 years, approximately 20% of the forest has been lost. This deforestation is driven by various factors including logging, agriculture, and urbanization. Along with the loss of flora and fauna, deforestation leads to soil erosion, which in turn muddies the waters of the Amazon, affecting aquatic life and making navigation perilous. Finally, let's touch on illegal activities. The Amazon River, due to its vastness and remoteness, is a hotbed for illicit activities such as illegal mining and wildlife trafficking. These activities not only endanger the local communities and wildlife, but also contribute to the degradation of the river's ecosystem. Illegal gold mining, for instance, introduces mercury into the river, a toxic element that poses severe health risks to humans and wildlife alike. All these human-induced factors collectively pose a significant threat to the Amazon River. They not only make the river dangerous for humans, but also jeopardize the very existence of countless species that call the Amazon home. In our quest for progress and prosperity, we mustn't forget the grave consequences our actions can have on the natural world. It's crucial that we understand the importance of preserving and protecting this remarkable river and the diverse life it sustains. The hand of man, it seems, can be as detrimental to the Amazon as its most fearsome creatures. Health risks associated with the Amazon River are another serious concern. Dangers are not only lurking on the surface, but they also inhabit the very waters of the river itself and the surrounding ecosystem. This includes a host of waterborne diseases, parasites, and dangerous insects that thrive in the Amazon region. Let's start with the waterborne diseases. The river, in all its vastness, is a breeding ground for bacteria and viruses that can cause diseases like cholera, typhoid, and leptospirosis. These illnesses can wreak havoc on the human body, leading to severe dehydration, fever, and in some cases even death. Now, on to parasites. The Amazon River is home to a multitude of parasites that can pose serious health risks. One of the most feared is the candiru, a tiny parasitic catfish known to invade the human body through various orifices. The thought alone is enough to send shivers down one's spine. And we cannot forget about the dangerous insects. The region is a hotspot for mosquitoes carrying diseases like malaria, dengue, and yellow fever. Malaria alone is a significant health issue in the region, with thousands of cases reported each year. These diseases are not to be taken lightly. They can cause high fever, severe headaches, and in severe cases, can be fatal. The health impacts of these risks are staggering. Thousands of people living in and around the Amazon region are affected by these diseases and parasites each year. The lack of access to clean water and adequate health care in many parts of the region only exacerbates the situation. So, while the Amazon River's beauty and biodiversity captivate us, we must also acknowledge the health risks it presents. These threats, unseen but ever-present, are as much a part of the Amazon's landscape as the river itself. The river's health hazards, often invisible to the naked eye, are just as menacing as its more visible threats. So, why is the Amazon River dangerous, you may ask? We've traversed the myriad perils that lurk within its depths and along its banks. We've seen the wildlife threats, from the stealthy caimans to the elusive piranhas, creatures that add a sense of thrill and danger to the river's enigmatic charm. We've explored the threats from the river itself, the unpredictable currents, the sudden whirlpools, and the treacherous rapids, all of which make this river a formidable force of nature. We've also dived into the human impact, the illegal activities such as mining and logging, which not only endanger the ecosystem but also pose significant risks to those who dare to tread here. And of course, we've examined the health risks, the tropical diseases and parasites that lurk unseen, ready to strike the unwary. The Amazon River, a place of breathtaking beauty, teems with hidden dangers, making it both a marvel and a menace of the natural world.